What's up guys, this is Aryan and you're watching Tech Saloon. And in this video I'm going to talk about the Nokia 6X, the launch date, the pricing, specifications, camera specifications, build, design and everything would be covered in this video. So stick around till the end. So we are really close to 100 subscribers, so do hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each and every time a video goes live on our channel. So let's get started. So talking about the display, this phone has 5.84 inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2280. So yes, this resolution is awesome, and I think that this phone will be the best in terms of display because the Redmi Note 5 Pro and all of its competitors have a 6-inch display, and they also have a Full HD Plus resolution. So this would be better than that because this phone has awesome display which is 5.84 inch. And one more thing which every notch user will like, that it has a notch display, and I think that the notch display would look awesome on a budget phone because all screen display has the time to go for the budget smartphones. And specification wise, where here we go, we have a Snapdragon 636 processor with 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM, 3264 GB storage. We have 4GB RAM 32GB storage variant, 4GB RAM 64GB storage variant, and 6GB RAM 64GB storage variant. And when it comes to the battery size, we have a 3060 mAh battery. That's the best thing in this because this, not because of the capacity of the battery, but because of the thing which is bundled in the box, which is Quick Charge 3.0, and this phone has USB Type C port. So Quick Charge 3.0 just works with USB Type C port. So here we see USB Type C plus Quick Charge, which we don't see in the competitors, which is the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1. And this phone has also a very good thing, and that's the rear camera. So the rear camera is 16 plus 5 megapixel shooter, and the aperture for the primary sensor, which is 16 megapixel, is f2.0, and the aperture for the next or the 5 megapixel sensor is f2.2. So I think that the camera will fare up pretty good because the competitor has just not the best cameras. But if you talk about the Redmi Note 5 Pro, yes, it has a good camera. So software wise, Nokia has nailed it because they have used Android One program with this phone also. So it comes with Android 8.2 Oreo out of the box, and I think that Oreo is something that this phone has over the competition, which is Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is still on Android Nougat. Android One program means you'll get monthly security patches, and this phone will also be enrolled for the Android P beta as it's listed on the Gadget 360 website. And this phone will have one more awesome thing, that it has a notch, but the back side of the phone will have a glass design. So if you are someone who likes glass at the back of their phone, or if you like Honor 9 Lite, this will be a killer for that phone because this will also have a glass back. And one more awesome thing is that this will have a 16 megapixel front facing camera with portrait mode. So yes, portrait mode is something awesome for budget phones because sometimes the competitors, they don't have the best portrait mode because the edge detection of the hair is not that great. But if Nokia calibrates that great, this will be the best budget smartphone under the price I'll tell you later. And then comes external features with this is that it has a hybrid SIM solution, and you can expand it with micro SD card up to 256 GB, and it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, not like the P20 Lite. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and all the sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, digital compass sensor, proximity sensor, all these sensors are very useful in daily usage. And yes, it also has a fingerprint scanner for all you lovers. And then with Quick Charge 3.0, you can charge 50% in 30 minutes, and it will take approximately an hour and 15 minutes to charge fully. So yes, I think that this is the best phone. But let's talk pricing. So Nokia will launch it on 21st May in China, but pricing is leaked in yuan. So it's 1299 yuan for the 4GB RAM 32GB storage, and it's 1499 yuan for the 4GB RAM 64GB storage, and it's approximately 1699 yuan for the 4GB or for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. So yes, Nokia has nailed it in pricing, and when the pricing is converted into Indian rupees, it's 13,500 rupees for the 4GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, and it's 15,500 rupees for the 4 GB RAM 64 GB storage, and it's 18,100 rupees for the 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. And if this pricing, so this is not confirmed pricing in India, and in dollars for the 4 GB 32 GB you pay around $200, and for the 4 GB 64 GB you pay 205 or 204.99 dollars, and you pay like $210 to $215 for the 6 GB RAM variant. So I think that this phone has the best pricing which you can consider when you're buying a phone, and the launch date is on 21st. So the Indian and the US pricing is not confirmed, and this yuan pricing is leaked. So we have converted it from yuan to rupees. So the which pricing I told right now isn't 100% confirmed. So still this is a stellar option for a budget device, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video, and do hit the subscribe button because we are very close to 100 subscribers. This has been it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later.